birthday bro. Happy birthday Jonas.
May God bless you more and your family.
Yan. Ingat lagi sa trabaho and alagaan mo ang sarili mo. Wishing you good health and ayun, makinig lagi kay Crisel. Huwag matigas ang ulo. Okay? And ayun.
Hope to see you soon.
See you soon. Miss you. And God bless you and your family. Enjoy, enjoy. Cheers.
Happy birthday, Jonas! I hope mag-enjoy kayo ng iyong mag-iina sa inyong birthday trip dyan. Pasensya na, as much as we wanted talaga na sumama sa inyo. Kaya lang, hindi. Enjoy your birthday trip at saka duty kasi si Melvin. So, I wish you all the happiness and a healthy life. Please. Alam mo na ang wish namin sa'yo. Quit mo na sana ang pagsasayaw tuwing gabi. Quit mo na ang pag-vape, ha? And always listen to Crisel. Diba? Hindi. Ganun din naman dapat si Crisel sa'yo. Magbigayan lang kayo. Hindi. Pero talaga, makinig ka talaga kay Crisel. Okay? So, I am just glad na member na kayo ng CFC. Hindi lang talaga ako paniwala na napao ka ni Crisel. So, continue to be religious and alam ko patuloy kang nagiging mabuting ama sa iyong mag-iina, sa iyong pamilya, and continue lang that, bro. I hope to see you soon bago kami magbakasyon sa Pinas. Ingat kayo dyan. Ingat palagi sa work at magdadasal. Happy birthday! I love you!
Birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, Ninong Jonas. Caleb, what's your wish? I wish they will be faster.
What's your wish? Louder!
To stop stealing monies.
Just say, Happy birthday, Ninong Jonas!
Happy birthday, Ninong Jonas.
What's your wish, Kuya? Louder.
Like this. I want to go to Fujairah again so I could play with my cousin Kali. I hope
Louder.
I hope I always say have a good life or else a missile will hit your house.
No. Just say take care always. Take care always.
Take care always. The hell?
Birthday, bayaw.